even considered that possibility that they are intentionally Twitch acting as though they are dumb? I mean, it's way better, trust me, if you are a pretty girl to act dumb than it is to act smart if you're trying to attract fucking morons like yourselves. You can't trick a smart girl into touching elbows behind her back, right? But a dumb girl? Oh shit. I could get her to do this. Boom, chat activity. He told his friends. Fucking this chat is booming. So, you know, all you morons in here who are trying to insult these titty streamers for being idiots, I'm just telling you, from where I'm sitting, you guys are not looking too intelligent yourselves.